baile de favela. Baila.
Hi guys, this is SNL Thakur and welcome to the Wheelcap wrapping session. This is a general wheel cap of Toyota Corolla and I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Before we start our video, I'd just like to mention that we need to clean this wheel cap as much as possible. This wheel cap looks like it has been to a lot of rough surfaces and has a lot of scratches to it, so don't worry about it. After cleaning the wheel cap, what we require are the following items: vinyl sheet cut into 18 into 18 inches, microfiber cloth, heat gun and cutting blade. Start peeling the vinyl surface from the sticky side and apply it on the wheel cap so it could cover the area and cut the excess area. From here, simply apply heat gun and try to get the surface area proper in the whole wheel cap. After that, just simply press with the help of the cloth and try to open the pore. Be careful, too much heat can burn the vinyl sheet. With the help of a cutting tool, I was able to cut the sticker from the emblem and expose it for making it more attractive.